Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by y. Next, we divide both sides by y, and we need to move the x go to the right. Later that we divide both sides by e to the power of 2x. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So we have 1 divided by this one, and this one divided by this one. So we have e to the power of negative 2x minus e to the power of x. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y. The integration of this one, that is about e to the power of negative number 2x over negative number 2. And this one, we have e to the power of x, and I will put about c. So we have the condition. That means when x equals to number 0, y equals to number 1. And now I will put number 0 gone here, and number 0 gone here, number 1 gone here. Now we need to simplify. This one we have number 1, this one we have number 1, the ln number 1 you got number 0. And now we can find the value of c. That is about 3 over 2. And we put the value of c gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.